Hey, good day to you all. If you're watching this video, you've taken a bold step toward learning a digital skill in 2025. That's fantastic. The world of digital skills is ever evolving, and it's an exciting time to dive in. Over the course of this week, I'll be dropping valuable tips right here on this channel to help you get ready before our main class begins. Without further ado, let's get down to the business of the day. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of digital graphics. We'll explore two main types, pixel graphics and vector graphics. What are pixel graphics? Pixel graphics are a type of digital art created using tiny squares called pixels. Each pixel is a single point of color, and when combined, they form images. They are also known as bitmaps or raster graphics. These images are made up of individual pixels, ranged in a grid and assigned a color value. The number of pixels in an image, also known as the image resolution or size, determines the image's sharpness. The more pixels, the sharper the image. Some of the key features of pixel graphics include resolution independence, bitmap images, low details, and lot more. The advantages of pixel graphics are simplicity, as it is easy to create and understand. It requires less processing power, therefore it has high performance. Its art style is often associated with retro video games, and it's commonly used in digital photography, web graphics and apparels. What are vector graphics? Vector graphics are a type of digital image that is created using mathematical equations to define shapes, lines, and colors. Unlike pixel graphics, which are made up of individual pixels, vector graphics are based on paths defined by points, lines, curves, and shapes. Key features: resolution independence. Vector graphics can be scaled to any size without losing quality. This means you can enlarge or shrink them without any pixelation. Mathematical representation. They are described using mathematical formulas, which makes them precise and flexible. File size. Generally, vector files are smaller than bitmap images, because they store instructions for drawing the shapes rather than storing information for each pixel. Advantages. Some of the advantages includes scalability, perfect for logos and designs that need to be resized frequently. Editability. Individual elements can be easily modified without affecting the overall quality. Crisp and clear. Always appear sharp and clear, regardless of size. Common uses: logos, illustrations and fonts. Conclusion. Vector graphics offer flexibility and scalability, making them a popular choice for designers and artists. They are particularly useful for projects that require high-quality visuals across different sizes and formats.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.